our channel Neet UG Cracker. Today we are going to discuss P block elements group 15 part 2. Chemical properties. Chemical properties. First property, oxidation state. Oxidation state of group 15 is -3, +3 and +5. -3 oxidation state decreases down the group due to increase in size, metallic character and -3 oxidation state in hydrides. Second, bismuth. Bismuth can form BiF5. Third point, +3 oxidation increases down the group due to inert pair of effect like SbF3, BiF3, PCl3, NF3. Phosphorus form +1, +4 oxidation states in some oxo acids. Fifth, nitrogen. Nitrogen has maximum covalency of 4. This is very important. It will make as question for Neet. Then under one formula, 3HNO2 forms HNO3 plus H2O plus 2NO. Nitrogen and phosphorus are non-conductors of electricity. They are non-conductors of electricity. Whereas bismuth is a good conductor of electricity. Bismuth is very good conductor of electricity. This will frame as question for Neet. Bismuth is very good conductor of property of nitrogen. Anomalous property means that is the difference property between all the elements in the nitrogen group. Nitrogen has small size and high electronegativity and high ionization enthalpy, and bond enthalpy also increases. That means bond enthalpy also high. These are the anomalous property of nitrogen, and also the non-availability of d orbitals. Non-availability of d orbitals. And N has unique ability to form p-pi bonds. Unique ability, p-pi bonds. N also forms N triple bond. But phosphorus forms pp single bond, arsenic forms arsenic single bond. Antimony forms antimony single bond. These are single bond. But nitrogen was triple bond. Catenation. Next property is catenation property. Catenation. Catenation tendency weaker in nitrogen. Nitrogen cannot form d-pi, p-pi bonds, whereas arsenic antimony forms d-pi, d-pi bonds. Next, reactivity towards hydrogen. When group 15 reacts with hydrogen to form hydrides, which are in the form of formula EH3. In the place of E, we can write all this nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. Stability of hydrides decreases from NH3 to BH3, whereas NH3 is a mild reducing agent, whereas BiH3 is a strong reducing agent. Basicity decreases down the group due to decrease in MH bond strength down the group. NH3, PH3 are basic, but ASH3, SBH3, BiH3, these are neutral. The basicity decreasing order, important, very important. Basicity decreasing order. NH3 is greater than, PH3 is greater than, arsenic hydride is greater than, antimony hydride is greater than, bismuth hydride. All hydrides are poisonous. Poisonous nature increases. Poisonous nature increases from NH3 to BiH3. This is the basicity of decreasing order. Next one is reactivity towards oxygen. Reactivity towards oxygen. When group 15 reacts with oxygen to form oxides, which are in the form of E2O3 and E2O5. High oxidation state have more acidic character, and acidic character decreases down the group. E2O3 of nitrogen, phosphorus are pure acidic. Arsenic, antimony and bismuth are base. In this, arsenic, antimony are the amphoteric. Arsenic, antimony are the amphoteric, whereas bismuth is a base. There is a short trick in this. Bismuth stands for B and the B for B, this is known as base. Next. Nitrogen also forms N2O, NO, which are neutral gas. These are colorless. This N2O is known as laughing gas. Next, NO2 is brown in color. N2O3 is blue liquid or solid. Bi can form BiO and N2O5 form strong. N2O5 is a strong oxidant. Next we are seeing that reactivity towards halogen. Reactivity towards halogens. When group 15 react with halogens, it forms halides. Halides are of two types, EX3, EX5. EX3 is known as trihalide. EX5 is known as pentahalide. Nitrogen do not form EX5 due to absence of d orbitals, or non-availability of d orbitals. EX5 is more covalent than EX3. This is due to that EX5 has more polarizing power. NF3 is more stable except BiF3. All are covalent. EX5 is not formed by nitrogen, bismuth and phosphorus. Why nitrogen is not forms the EX5 form? Due to non-availability of d orbitals. Whereas bismuth, why bismuth is not forming the EX5 form? Due to inert pair effect. But why PCl? Why phosphorus is not forming the EX5? Due to large size, and PCl5 is a strong chlorinating agent. PCl5 is a strong chlorinating agent. This will make as question for Neet. Next, solid state or in ionic composed. Solid state in ionic is composed of, this one is very important, it will ask for Neet question. It also asked by previous years also. I don't know the year exactly, but this will given PCl4 plus PCl6 minus. Solid state is ionic, but it is composed of PCl4 plus and PCl6 minus. It will compulsory, we have to by heart, or we have to know that. It is very important. Next, reactivity towards metal. Group 15 when reacts with metal to form binary compounds which have -3 oxidation state. For example, Ca3N2, calcium nitride, Ca3P2, calcium phosphide, Na3As, sodium arsenide, Zn3Pb2, zinc sorry guys, this is S, Zn3Sb2, zinc antimonide, Mg3Bi2, magnesium bismutoid,